you've been outside this spring, you know that it is very ticky outside. And the month of May is our tickiest month here in Nebraska. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to enjoy the outdoors without getting a tick bite. Ticks locate their host by questing. What they do is climb up a piece of vegetation from the ground and they stretch out their front legs, which have tiny hooks on it, enabling them to latch on to a host that's brushing by the vegetation. They get carried away and they start moving upwards. So sometimes people think they're coming out of trees, but really they're coming from the ground and moving up. Many people are horrified by the thought of seeing a tick, but I can assure you it is much better to find a tick and remove it than find out later that you've been bit by a tick and didn't know it. Ticks can remain embedded in the skin feeding for up to 7 days if not detected, and they will get quite engorged. An engorged female tick looks sort of like a grape, but also like a chewed up piece of gum from 2 years ago. These will fall off the host, and if they are mated, they can produce over 5,000 eggs before they die. The most important thing though is to prevent tick bites. And so there are many things that you can do to protect yourself and your family. First of all, you want to treat your pet according to veterinarians' suggestions. This may be all year-round treatment depending on where you live and what ticks are prevalent in your area. Ticks that have been feeding on a pet that has been treated will show up dead. Another thing you can do is wear permethrin-treated clothing. This can be available commercially, or you can buy the spray yourself and treat your clothes. When the clothing is dry, it is safe to wear, but you want to follow the label instructions on how to treat that clothes because it is a pesticide. Ticks that contact this permethrin-treated clothes will not be coming home with you. The most important thing though is to check yourself after coming in from outdoor activities. You can take a shower within hours of coming inside, but you really want to check those warm, dark places and body crevices. Places to check are going to be the groin area, the armpit, scalps, the belly button, all those dark places. Remove any embedded ticks with tweezers. When you come in, those clothes that you wore, you want to put them in the hot clothes dryer for 20 to 30 minutes on high heat before you put it in the hamper, because anything that comes in on clothes can easily crawl out and find a host. Lastly, teach your children and your friends about ticks so they can understand how to protect themselves. Remember, we want you to be outside, we want you to enjoy nature, but we don't want you to be tormented by ticks. So follow these tips and have a great summer.